Hi, I'm going to try to help you how to open the PDF with Kami. So if you go to Google Classroom, whatever your class is, you're gonna see the PDF form right there. Uh, in our Google Classroom, in Google Classroom, you already download the Kami. But you have to create your copy whenever you open it. So what you do is you click the PDF. So you see this, and on top it says open with. So what you do is you click and then you put annotate with Kami. In this case, I am the teacher, so it's going to open it with me, but you're going to do this thing. You click the Kami and it's going to load everything. And then you say run OCR. So this is my worksheet. You got to create your own worksheet. So what you have to do is you go to textbook, let's open it. You go to text, you choose the font and the color, and then when you want to write on it, it's gonna, in my case, this is mine. It won't ask you, but with yours, when you want to write your name on the form, it's going to ask you if you want to create a copy, and you will have to say okay and go to the process, and it will open your copy. So you will know it's your copy whenever you do the test. You click the test, the black, because you want to write on black or whatever color you want to choose, and you can see this blue box right here, and that's where you are able to write. And every time you want to write something, you have to click and see the blue box. So then you go here, for example, I will write here X, and then if I want to write here X, that way you don't have to print out the paper. If you want to print it to do it, you can do it too. You can finish it and send me a picture. Or you can just look at it in your screen, write down the answers in a loose leaf, take a picture, and turn it in. I hope this helps you. Thank you.